Overlooking the Oslofjord from Castle Mountain in Norway's oldest city, Tønsberg Fortress was once one of the most important royal strongholds in medieval Scandinavia. Today, only ruins and the iconic Castle Mountain Tower remain, but the site once guarded the entrance to one of Norway's busiest maritime regions. The fortress was established during the 12th century under King Sverre and quickly became a center of royal authority during Norway's turbulent Civil War era. Its strategic position above the harbor allowed rulers to control trade routes and naval movements along the Oslofjord. For centuries, Tønsberg Fortress served as a royal residence, military stronghold, and administrative center. Kings, nobles, and armies passed through its gates as the fortress became deeply intertwined with the formation of the medieval Norwegian kingdom. The castle reached its greatest importance during the 13th and 14th centuries, when Tønsberg itself was among Norway's leading cities. Massive walls, towers, halls, and churches once covered Castle Mountain, making the fortress one of the largest and most formidable castles in the country. Despite its strength, the fortress gradually lost military value as warfare evolved and political power shifted elsewhere. Following conflicts with Swedish forces during the early 16th century, much of the castle was destroyed and abandoned, earning Tønsberg Fortress its reputation as Norway's lost castle. Today, visitors can explore the surviving ruins and the distinctive Castle Mountain Tower, rebuilt in the late 19th century as a memorial to Norway's medieval past. Standing high above the city and fjord, Tønsberg Fortress remains a powerful reminder of the kings, wars, and ambitions that helped shape the history of Norway.